you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add an effect after recording your video on TikTok. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Let's open the TikTok app and let's upload a video that I have already captured beforehand. This is the video that I have already captured, recorded. Now so let's select it, let's do the next and next. Okay, let's do the next. This is for the video that you have already captured. For now, we will only add an effect to a video that I have captured through my phone and uploaded to TikTok. Now, to add an effect, basically the effects are available at the top right corner of your phone. From text, stickers, effects, filters, voiceovers, and voice effects. These are the effects available to you on your phone. Now let's start with the text. To add a text on the top right corner of your phone, you can see the text button on the top. Tap there and you can change your handwritings from over here. Which kind of handwriting do you like, and which the color of the text you want to put in, and there are a bunch of other more options. Okay, and the line grid, this button is for the line grid, whether you want your text to be in the left alignment, right alignment, or the center alignment. And do you want to be the text in this button on your most left corner, A, which is this button is for the background, whether text will be enveloped in a square or just the text. We can change from there. Now let's do just with this one. I like this one, and the classic one, or the cursive one maybe. Okay, since it's the scene of nature, let's use some green color and let's type in some text on the center alignment, like a beautiful scene. Then to change the text size, you can just pinch it, zoom in and out of it like you do it on a photo, like this. And if you want to change the origin and calibration of your text, you can just click it with your two fingers and change wherever you like this, like this, you can see. And like you can zoom like this by pinching your fingers forward and backwards like you do to zoom your photos on your phone. And this is for the text. Now let's head for the stickers. And if you want to add a sticker, on the top right bottom of the screen, you can still see the stickers button on the second one. Let's tap there and you can see all the current stickers available for one this time. And from the same icon, you can also put the emojis. Here are the emojis available, and here are the stickers. Let's put a natural sticker. Let's search for one and let's put a natural sticker. Okay, since it's windy, I'll put this one over here and a beautiful scene like this. And let's put an emoji over here, like I'm going to heaven. I'm in love with this scene. So let's just put the scene, and you can minimize or maximize it by using your same pinching buttons like this. You do to zoom in or out of a photo. And to delete this, guys, multiple text, and see, if you have put in multiple text and stickers or emojis and you want to delete something, to delete it, just tap on the sticker or text that you want to delete for a bit of moment. Just move it, drag it, and you can see the delete button appear on the top of your phone. Just put the effect over there and it will be deleted like this. If you want to delete an emoji, you can drag and drop it to delete folder button like that. And if you want to delete the text, do the same thing. Pinch it for a sec, move it, delete button will appear, and just delete it like this. There you guys, putting an effect on the TikTok video is this easy. Either to remove or to put it is this easy. And if you have any comment or question regarding this topic, then don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, guys. This is it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos, guys. Thank you for watching.